Hi everyone, welcome to Step by Step PowerPoint. For having good presentation, in first step you should choose the best size for your slide, and this size depends on the system that you use it for your presentation. Let's see different size. 16:9. This size is prepared for a slide size if you want to show your PowerPoint to others in your laptop. If you want to show your PowerPoint presentation in video projector, the best size for slide size is 4:3. For presenting PowerPoint in MacBook, you should put slide size in 16:10. As you know, we can create great Instagram posts in PowerPoint. For this, PowerPoint slide should be in size 1:1. And for making great Instagram story, the best size is 9:16. But I have a question. How to set the size in PowerPoint? First step, open your PowerPoint. Second step, go to the tab Design here and choose a slide size in the right side. Click on it. You'll see a standard size 4:3 that's prepared for showing presentation in video projector, and the next one is wide screen 16:9 that's prepared size for your laptop. But if you need another size, click on a custom slide size. Here, there are lots of size that you can choose for your slide. Here, banner size, offer, paper, or on a screen show that's great for MacBook. But if you want to write your size, click on custom and enter your height and width of your preferred slide size. And here in the right size you can put your paper in portrait or landscape or orientation. And this is for the notes, the slides notes, that you can put it on portrait and landscape too. In this video, I told you the best size for your slide presentation depends on your system. Don't forget, please subscribe on our channel and turn on notification. We made great video for learning PowerPoint for you. Thank you a lot.